Good morning, Brandon Hardison, President of Champion Strategies, with our ongoing series on public speaking. Once again, there are a lot of people that are put into a public speaking realm, and maybe it's their first time or they're not comfortable. So, our teachers that are out there for the first time, congratulations to you. No matter if you're north or south now, some schools you're allowed to have the students back in the brick and mortar, and some students are still doing it virtually. No matter which way they're doing it in your district and you're a first year teacher, remember you need to control the room to understand the individual so you can support them in being the best that they can be. Public speaking will help you do that. You may be a first time supervisor, manager, and you never dealt with large groups of people or even a small team as few as 5 or 8, but they're looking to you for their success. Maybe somebody told you that you're a great speaker and you need to get into public speaking. And now, since COVID, believe me, everybody who has anything to do with speaking front of the room are on here because all of the reunions, all of the conventions, everything shut down. So this is the only way they can tell their story. You need to get involved. So I told you and showed you in different series, there are some great institutions, 2-year, 4-year institutions where you can get a degree in communications where public speaking is a part of it. Or there's organizations that just concentrate on public speaking, but there is a payment due for that. Or maybe you're one of those people that just go through the internet, try to find content, try to find videos that you can mirror because you have the discipline to practice. So that's why we at Champion Strategies do this for you. So I'm going to get started and talk about how sales and public speaking go hand in hand. You see, the skillful use of public speaking can improve a company's sales by allowing you to connect with the audience rather than simply making a sales pitch. If your audience feels that you can relate to them, people are more likely to trust you and do business with you. Good public speaking skills make it possible for you to sell the value of what you have to offer to a company's executives, customers, or clients. So, creating an opening dialogue with your audience allows people to ask you questions and discuss their thoughts with you. Get to know your audience. Make it a two-way conversation instead of a blanket sales pitch. Innovative thinkers motivate people in public forums that help expose the product and services that you're selling. If we're listening and we know how to group these people, public speaking will work for that. You see, successful public speakers create a level of credibility by establishing themselves within the industry they're working. A skillful public speaker provides valuable information to his audience, not just a sales pitch. Give your audience information they can use even if they don't become your customer. The people to whom you are speaking are more likely to listen to what you have to say if you offer something of value. So, public speaking skills can help you sell yourself to upper management, placing you in a position to receive promotions for the opportunity and the input of work that you've done for some special projects. If you want your audience to buy your sales pitch, only thing I could say to you is prepare, practice, prepare, practice, prepare, practice. And if you've listened to any of my videos, I always talk about preparation. Letting your audience know right from the start why they're there. Avoid making your speech too long. Get straight to the point. Use eye contact when you're working with the audience. You will have better luck reaching them. Make audience members feel as though they're speaking to you one-on-one individually. Now, when you do that, if you're a salesperson or a business owner, effective public speaking offers many benefits. It provides you with a way to communicate and build trust with potential customers and prospective clients. Public speaking also is a method by which you can establish yourself as an expert in your industry. It provides you with the opportunity to inform people more about your business, about the products and services that you offer. So, public speaking allows you to generate more sales leads and helps you to network. So, one of the best ways to increase sales is by talking to people who have an interest in what you have to offer. Schedule sales speeches in locations where your target customers or clientele marketing may be. For example, speaking to trade shows designed for the aging baby boomers if your company or business offers products or services in this segment of the population that need that service. Finding the right audience to listen is key to your sales success. You see, because your goal is to satisfy the needs of particular segments of consumer markets. Before you can do that successfully, consistently, you need to find out what they want and then deliver the message. So I, for one, would start with your local Chamber of Commerce. You don't have to be a member, just go and you will see decision makers there listening to best practices, whether it's a breakfast or a luncheon. But if you want an opportunity to rub elbows beyond the table and get in front of the room and speak to the whole group, start positioning yourself. You'll be amazed of what can come out of it. Not only just monetarily, but your reputation for being the best in your vertical market is going to be there. Once again, Brandon Hardison, President of Champion Strategies, with our ongoing series on public speaking, and I hope you got something out of it. So, as always in parting, you go out and make it a champion day.